Since the beginning of the Apple Watch, this product evolved a lot. We have been seeing new apps coming with every new watchOS update, some of them useful, some of them not really. It's been 7 years since the Apple Watch was released, and we still don't have a simple standard app for taking notes on the go. Why Apple? Why? I think the reason behind this is the screen size and the lack of a keyboard on the Apple Watch. But since the Apple Watch Series 7 and now Series 8, we have a new big touchscreen, quite accurate voice dictation input and even a keyboard, so we can type short notes directly on the Apple Watch. In this video, I will show you how to add the Notes app on your Apple Watch. On the App Store, I found a simple third-party application that adds a missing Notes app to the Apple Watch. It's called Notes for Apple Watch. It does what its name says. It gives you the ability to type notes directly on your wrist. The app itself is super easy, just tap, add a new note, and it will ask you for the input method, voice, scribble or keyboard. Choose what you prefer and simply type or dictate your text. After creating your note, you can even choose different color options to identify your notes. You can also access your notes made on the Apple Watch from your iPhone, as this tiny app also exists for the iPhone. I think the Apple Watch is the most useful wearable tech object of all time, and it has a lot of potential for future development. Unfortunately, it's still not used at 100%, but thanks to third-party developers, we can see more and more apps coming to the Apple Watch. I truly believe that this is still day one for the Apple Watch, and in the future, we will see some incredible apps and features on this tiny computer for your wrist. Because the Apple Watch is not actually a watch. First of all, it's a computer, and it can also show you a time if you wish. Guys, I hope you liked this short Apple Watch tip video. If you found this video useful and you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like under this video. Check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thanks again for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.